In this tutorial, I will guide you how to go to the home page on your Kindle Paperwhite. So if you want to go to the home page, maybe you are reading a book and you want to go back to the home page, just on the Kindle Paperwhite here at the top, make sure to select here at the top. Once you select here at the top, you'll see an option here which is home. So if I click here on home arrow, and that's how I can go back to the home page. Now, one thing you'll notice on the Kindle Paperwhite is that it's different from the mobile devices or tablets. The Kindle Paperwhite is designed only for reading. That's why the homepage is only for Kindles, where you can find books, discover books, search for books, and download for books. So there is no like a homepage where maybe you can go to YouTube or maybe you can go to browser. But if you do want a browser here on the homepage, there is a 3 dots at the top right corner here. If you select on the 3 dots, you can see an option which say web browser. So if I select here on web browser, this will open the web browser. So that's how you can go to the homepage on your Kindle Paperwhite. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.